In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipient and Wise correctly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what each option means, and how to avoid common mistakes that can delay a transfer. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is up to date. A quick update and a reliable internet connection can prevent hiccups while you're adding someone new. Once you're in, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Recipients. This is your address book inside Wise, where you'll keep the people and accounts you send money to. Keeping this list accurate saves time and helps you send funds confidently. Now, tap Add Recipient. Think of this as creating a new contact for payments. You're setting up the details once so you don't have to re-enter them for each transfer. If you ever need to edit or remove a recipient later, you can do that from this same area. Next, select the currency. This choice should match the currency of the account you're sending to. Picking the correct currency matters because it affects what information Wise needs and helps avoid unnecessary conversion fees or rejected transfers. If you're unsure, confirm with the recipient which currency their account actually holds. You can always convert money during the transfer, but the recipient's saved currency determines the required details. You'll now see options for how to add the recipient. Find on Wise e-wallet or bank details. Here's what each means and when to use it. Choose. Find on Wise if the person already has a Wise account and prefers receiving money within Wise. Transfers between Wise accounts are often faster, and the app will guide you to locate their profile safely. Always make sure you're selecting the correct person to avoid sending funds to the wrong account. Pick e-wallet if you're sending to a supported mobile wallet or digital wallet in the recipient's country. You'll be asked for the wallet provider, region, and the exact wallet account identifier. Enter these exactly as registered with the wallet. Spelling and formatting matter. Select bank details if you're sending directly to a bank account. Depending on the country, Wise may ask for things like an account number, IBAN, or routing information. The account holder's name should match the bank's records to prevent delays or returns. If the account is a business account, indicate that when prompted. When everything looks correct, review the details and save. Your new recipient will now appear in Recipients, ready for your next transfer. Double-check currency, spelling, and account type before you send money, and you'll be set for a smooth payment every time.